In this video, we will show you how to replace the drive unit of your PUQ press. You'll need to order a replacement drive unit with the code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, the Phillips screwdriver, a brush, and a dry cloth. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket and wait until the display goes off. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Loosen the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely and unclip the cable connector. Put the new drive unit in place and reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Tighten the tamper base, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the Set button. The tamper base goes back up. Test the drive unit on proper functioning with your portafilter. Excellent! Let's